Hey, welcome to the channel, More Dirt, More Distance. On this episode, I got a really easy installation planned. I'm doing an A-pillar ball mount from CMM Offroad. And the reason why I wanted this mount is because I wanted a good place to mount my GoPro, specifically because I want an in-cabin view when I'm doing my trail videos. But you can mount any equipment you want in that location, phone, tablet, whatever you're looking for. I took a look at the instructions and it looks like it's be pretty straightforward, require minimal tools. So let's go ahead and get started. This project only requires basic tools. The A-pillar ball mount can be attached to the driver or passenger grab handle. It can be mounted on the bottom of the grab handle or the top. I'm mounting mine on the top of the grab handle. Using the trim remover, pop the cover off of the top of the grab handle. There is a 10mm bolt securing the handle and trim to the A-pillar. Use the 10mm socket with the extension to remove the bolt. I got the 20mm ball so that it would be compatible with the dash mount accessories I already have. Unscrew the ball to access the 5mm Allen head bolt. Pull the cover off of the A-pillar. You can now slide the base into place. Use the 5mm Allen wrench to secure the base. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hand screw the 20mm ball mount into the base. Use the 8mm Allen wrench to tighten the ball mount. The A-pillar ball mount is secure and ready to go. Time to see how well the GoPro fits. That was a really easy installation. Took 10 minutes, minimal tools required. And it's great to have another location to be able to mount equipment. Personally, I wouldn't move my phone over here though. It's because I am right-handed, so it just makes more sense to have my phone on my right-hand side. But it's worked out really well as a place to mount my GoPro to get the interior cabin view that I've been looking for. It is nice and solid, and I'm not having any of the issues I had with the other things I've tried, is keeping the GoPro solid and it's not allowed it to fall on the floor or any of those other things that I was struggling with. So that has really worked out well. The big downside is that it is $95, and that is just for the ball mount. It doesn't include any of the attachments that you would need to mount your equipment, so that is very pricey. So I went to another company to get the GoPro attachment to go with the ball mount. So with the ball mount and the other piece of equipment, it's looking like $130 or so, which is quite a bit just to be able to mount, a piece of equipment. But it's worth it to me because I really want this particular shot. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss my next modification.